Ultamize. Say less. Leave space. Let them come toward you. Energy beats content. Relevance beats both. Shorter is stronger. One sentence can be enough. Answer, then stop, then shift. Don't fill silence immediately. Silence creates space. Space creates conversation. Curiosity is charisma. Be more interested, not more interesting. Stay with what they said. Don't jump topics. Follow the thread. Ask, then listen, then ask again. What got you into that? What do you like most about it? What surprised you? Simple questions, real attention. That's enough. Listen to understand, not to respond. Don't wait for your turn. There is no turn, there's only flow. Look at them. Be there, not halfway there. No phone, no scanning, no distraction. Attention is felt, not explained. Say less about yourself, more about them. Make them feel interesting. They will think you're interesting. Before you speak, ask, would they care about this? If the answer is no, shorten it or don't say it. Don't explain everything. Give just enough. Let them ask for more. Earn the next sentence. Talking less creates curiosity. Curiosity creates engagement. Stop trying to impress. Start trying to connect. You don't need better stories. You need better timing. You don't need more words. You need better judgment. Answer briefly, then flip it back. How about you? What about your experience? Give the conversation back again and again. Notice their energy. Adjust in real time. If they lean in, continue. If they fade, stop. Shift. Don't chase attention. Create space for it. Be easy to talk to, not impressive to listen to. One idea, then stop. One story, then pause. One question, then listen. Repetition builds patterns. Patterns become automatic. This is not something you try. This is something you install. Say less, ask more, stay present. Say less, ask more, stay present. Say less, ask more, stay present.